Welcome back to our channel. Today we have a powerful stress relief technique to share with you. Tapping. Get ready to free yourself from stress and negative emotion. Let's dive in. Find a quiet space where you can focus on your feelings and emotions. Start by tapping the side of your hand gently while saying, "Even though I feel stressed about," and then you state your issue, "I deeply and completely accept myself." Then move through the meridian points, tapping about 5 to 7 times on each while stating your thoughts and feeling. Tap on the top of your head, the eyebrows, side of the eyes, under the nose, then the chin, and then go on to under the arms. Let's go through tapping sequence a few more times, expressing your emotions honestly. Take deep breaths and be kind to yourself as you tap. With every tapping sequence, your stress will be reduced. Take a moment to check in yourself. How do you feel about the issue now? Has everything shifted? Congratulations, you have just experienced the transformative power of tapping for stress relief. Remember, tapping is a valuable tool that you can use anytime you feel overwhelmed or anxious. If you enjoyed this stress relief technique, hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more holistic tips.